If life hands you lemons, what do? You're gonna make lemonade. Let's get to it. Alright, so what we're going to do is, first of all, we're going to take it and roll in the lemons to soften them up, making them juicier. These are a little bit older lemons, so I know I gotta use them. They're pretty juicy as it is, but we're just making the job a little bit easier for the juicer. I'm sorry if you hear the lawnmower going in the back. It's my husband cutting grass, but I've had the lemons cut in halves now. So what I'm going to do is I'll put them over the juicer, the hand juicer, and be twisting, and they'll extract the juice into the bottom and get the seeds and the pulp up here. I don't know if you can see that or not, but you see the juice dropping to the bottom as I'm twisting the lemon up top. Look at that. I'm going to make some yummy, fresh lemonade. This is what you want the inside of the lemon to look like when you're done juicing. I got the lemon's juice now. That's what's in here. Let me grab a measuring cup. See how much we got here. I'm guessing by the look of it, I'd say probably about half a cup out of those 4 lemons. Now watch, I'm going to spill it everywhere. Right at, I'm not going to pour the rest of that. Yeah, I'd say with this and that, and then a little bit I spilled over here, I'd say right at half a cup. So we're going to pour that in there. And then what we're going to do is we're going to start out at a half a cup of sugar. So we're going to add that half a cup of sugar right there. I'm going to start adding some water. Before we start filling it all the way up, I'd like to go ahead and dissolve the sugar into the lemon juice and water as much as possible. Alright, so this is about done. Now we'll go ahead and finish adding like most of the water. That way if you want to go ahead and add ice, you can at this point. If you want to add more sugar, you can. I would say it's a little tart at this point. My spoons are put up so I can't taste. But it's also just enough sweetness, I would probably say. I'm going to taste it. Here, let me dip this in there, get all that sugar. I'll just use this. Yeah, I think that's fine. I'd say if you got a half cup of lemon juice to a half cup of sugar, that ratio is good. But if you want to add a little bit more, makes half a gallon of lemonade. And then if you want to add ice to it, it's really good. Give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe. I'll see you on the flip side on the next video.